mascot. Say something.
Yeah. He's wishing me all the luck. He's going to think about me.
You're going to summit, eh?
We're going to summit at all cost. Even if we have to roll over, we're going to summit.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Yes, we're doing this.
So main guys, yeah.
It was in our mind.
Yeah.
We just came early.
We're going to do the big walk.
Now he told
Camera.
Ready as can be.
Is he straight on or is he ready?
Thanks for asking.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Looking forward to the journey. Very excited. Going to make it.
You look quite determined.
Very determined with God's grace and the lovely company of awesome people I am. And Barak. We're going to make it with Barak.
Yeah, so excited as well and hoping for the best.
What do you think about this journey?
I'm
How you feel?
sleepy. I'm sleepy. I need a few shots. Now I'm okay. I'm ready for the big high.
Signing our life away. Oh God, please help us. But yeah, we're registering and we have to book ourselves in for 7 days.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So we're getting set.
Cool. Oh, you're the guy.
I call him Mountain 9.
Ah.
Have you ever met Mountain 9?
Who?
Yeah. Yes, that is your first time to meet Mountain 9.
Yeah.
That's me.
Yeah.
So you are lucky guys.
Yeah, good.
Probably you are going to make it.
Yeah, definitely.
Best luck.
Thank you. Are we ready to drop? Yeah. Yeah. Rabbi, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Hey! So we're ready. Starting. There's no turning back. That's it. We're gonna do this.
You
We
said
are
it.
entering that gate.
Yes.
Gateway. Yes.
We have our gears
Yeah.
and we are ready.
And we in the hands of
No reverse gear, no reverse gear.
No.
I believe comfy stands for confidence. So,
Okay.
the
There we
fun
go.
has just
See you in the
begun.
world. We'll see you when I come back.
How's they? Thank you.
That's it. Rabbi, pole man, you're going too fast. Please slow down.
Yeah. Pole. This is Jan.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
We are walking pole. Our mission is just too big to help orphan children. Please God help us.
got a wonderful person like Danny, Baraka, confidence. They're going to help us achieve this dream of ours.
Surely.
To help the community of underprivileged. Matata.
Hakuna Matata.
Well said, well said. Well done.
In that way. Okay.
Don't call us by please.
Yeah, 1-4.
Hi.
I got Hanumanya.
Greenery everywhere. I'd like to build me a tree house up here.
Can't be closer to nature than this.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful.
तुम पास आए, यूं मुस्कुराए, तुमने न जाने क्या कुछ होता है.
Yeah. Yeah, come.
I don't even think I have strength to lift myself.
Just try.
1, 2, 3. There we go.
You okay?
I'm okay, man.
All good? Good old Kilimanjaro Machame route. We've got a whole team in front and all going strong. Machame rainforest. Smells beautiful. File your first comments.
Food is fuel.
It is indeed.
Wat sê jy, dokter?
Food was good. So now we've net ons weer krag vir die dag.
Yes. This is Danny. I'm enjoying with these people.
Yeah.
They're so amazing. We started with them since the morning till this time. We shared lunch together. Actually, the way I see them, they are so kind people. I love them. They are so good and amazing people to meet. Actually, I'm happy for them.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Karibu Kilimanjaro. God bless you. Then hope we will make it to the top of Mount Kilimanjaro. Together we can. Hakuna Matata.
Cool, eh? Hello, chameleon. Who spotted this?
One of the
a bit steeper climb on the Machame route. Rainforest section.
When you have determination in your heart and a will to do good, nothing can stop you. You will achieve your success. No problem. Keep on moving in life. Do not be stagnant.
Oh ja, jy kan maar praat. Papa, ek sal nou jou praat. Okay, ons praat nou in Afrikaans, so sê Dr. Ramos. Ons is nie baie. Ja, we not tired. Just warmed up.
Yeah.
But it's getting cooler.
It is.
Some motivational
Yes.
die hike gaan baie goed. Ons het bietjie piknik gehad.
Ek is so trots op my kamerade. Hulle so mooi Afrikaans praat. We're gonna conquer this mountain.
Yes, definitely. Day 2,
Yeah.
going down so far. The view is magnificent.
Okay, brilliant.
Going steady with the poles. Yes.
Country, nice.
Andy.
Yeah,
Day number 2.
yeah,
Pole, pole.
yeah.
Number 5.
Yebo! Yeah, guys, we all well. Had a good sleep. Gonna do some serious walking. Arno?
Hey, is lekker hier zo in die Kaap. Kan nie mooi fyn bos.
Are you okay there, Pyle?
Yeah, it's just
Your nose.
nose is troubling.
Pile, she's a Easter. She's a real biscuit.
Yeah, yeah.
Pole, pole.
Hakuna Matata.
En hallo.
Dis baie mooi, hè? Wat wil sien? Arno, kom sien hier. This is day 3. We're going up to Lava Tower, 4-6, and then we're coming down to 3-9.
Yeah.
All good. Everybody?
One among the guides of this group. I'm from Tanzania, and I'm proud to be with this charming group. Thank you so much.
Do you want to say?
So today is day 4. We had to climb the Barranca wall. We were like animals.
Yeah,
all fours.
literally on our hands and legs.
But we made it. We at top of the wall. We conquered the wall.
Yeah, it was no piece of cake. It was actually hard icing, like what Ryan says.
Yeah.
But that's our destination, and we're not too far from it.
Yeah?
So far, so good.
Well done.
This is now day 5. And we've made it so far. Here's the big mountain. I was dreaming about, and
Okay.
we're going to take it poly today, and tonight we're going to summit.
Yeah.
If everything goes well.
No,
Fantastic.
we got a good team leader.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Amisha Pyle.
Hi.
Hi.
This is day 5 and we are ready to rock and roll.
We just need to
Yay!
get to base camp.
Yes.
And then we can have a good rest
Yes.
for our summit push tonight.
It's
Yeah.
piece of cake, eh?
Ah.
Yes, piece of cake.
Chocolate cake.
And our captain.
Oh yeah, that's right. Piece of cake. Oh yeah, let's do it.
What is it? C6, eh?
C6.
Okay.
Day 5, we're all looking in good shape. Oxygen levels are right. Heartbeat is fine.
No,
Feeling
not yet.
good. And we're ready for action. Day 5. All looking good. We are approaching Stella Point. Somewhere, sometime. I'm not sure when. But it's looking good. Yay!
Team Tiger! How are you?
We're just about to summit Kilimanjaro and this is now the view that we are looking at. Absolutely stunning.
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के ओ राही 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 Hakuna Matata Hakuna Matata Hakuna Matata Hakuna Matata
It's recording.
Wageni wakaribishwa Kilimanjaro Hakuna Matata Hakuna Matata Hakuna Matata
Fresh.
Hakuna Matata Hakuna Matata Hakuna Matata Hakuna Matata Hakuna Matata Hakuna Matata Hakuna Matata